Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to create a simple 3D model using Blender 3D software. Okay, so here I'm just uh, introducing why we use Blender, because it is open source full free software for 3D software 3D model designing, and it is powerful, versatile, and has a capability to generate photorealistic image, videos, and even a game. Not photorealistic, but you can create a simple game. Okay, and number three, it can create full artwork really fast because of its shortcut keys. If you accustomed with that keys, you can really uh, create faster artwork. Okay, so let's make a 3D glass using 3D Blender 3D. So first go ahead and download Blender from blenderfoundation.org and install it and open it. Okay, let's go. So I open Blender. My version is 2.73 alpha, for A for alpha, and so let's begin. And this is general, first interface. Here is the camera, there is the basic 3D object cube and a light. Okay, so to rotate our view, you have to just press middle mouse button and drag to rotate. All right, so I gonna delete the basic cube. You are selecting it by right mouse button and press delete button and OK. And I'm just gonna create a basic shape using shift A. So here is the pop-up menu, and from here I gonna select cube. Okay, and to manipulate that simple object, I have to go in edit mode. To go to edit mode, just press tab. Alright, so here we are in edit mode for that object, and to select faces we just have to press two buttons, tab and alter simultaneously, and select face. Alright, and now right click on faces to select. Alright, so I gonna select that face and just grab it up little bit, and for stretch it press S and stretch it up, scale it up. Now uh, okay, to edit, to extrude, press E and just extrude little bit. Alright, and press E and enter. Press S and scale it down little bit, and again press E and extrude in backward. Alright, here, and press S and scale it down a little bit. So here our basic glass shape. To make it round, we have to go to modifier, um, here in edit mode, add modifier, and here you go, subdivide surfaces. Alright, so, and we have to view 2, and here we have our simple glass. Press Ctrl and R to make a loop and drag it here for sharp shape. Alright, grab it down little bit. Okay, and to smooth even to smooth it out, even press to go to normal mode, press tab again, I mean object mode, and press smooth or smooth it out. Okay, here our low poly glass, but here you can see a little bit roughness, so uh, uh, we're gonna change the view from 2 to 3 and render 2 to 3. Alright, now it's actually smooth enough. So mm, here our very fast model of a glass, we're gonna render it later, but first I gonna uh, apply some material, a basic material. Okay, to do that I gonna press new and color a little bit sky blue. Alright, intensity may be high. Okay, alright, and to render it I gonna render it to on cycle render, and okay, use nodes, and from diffuse BSD I gonna select transparent BSD. Alright, and for surface I'm just create the surface by pressing shift A and select plane, and S for to scale it up I just press S and drag it, and go to edit mode by pressing simple tab, E to extrude downwards, right, up a little bit, and smooth it up by smooth. Alright, and here we're gonna apply another material, and for that this time I gonna select really diffuse BSD. Alright, that's gonna work fine. To see our artwork, just press F12, a little moment, fine. Alright, so this is our simple class, but not good enough. So for that I just select it again, and here I gonna change it sun, and transparent BSD. Actually I gonna select glass. Alright, it will be better. Glossy, not glossy, glass. Sorry, glossy, not glossy, glass. Where is the glass BSD? Alright, now press F12 and a better result. See, it's better, isn't it? A nice looking glass. Okay, so escape and just select the surface, press tab, and and select face here and extrude it little bit, yeah, little bit, extrude little bit, yeah, here, Alright, select camera, delete camera, and press 1, sorry, press left, press right, press font, and press back. Yeah, that view I want. So in that view I just gonna add a camera. Shift A for add, gonna click camera, and here just drag it back little bit and go to camera mode. Here we gonna see the image how it looks like, how it will look like. And again select the surface, just maximize the surface, just maximize a little bit, and yes, go to camera, and select the camera, select the size a little bit high, not too high. Yes, that's nice. And grab it, for G for grab it, and alright, that's fine, that's fine, yeah, that's fine. Select the surface again and scale it up little bit, that's fine. So press F12 once again and see how it looks like. Okay, it looks better. Okay, it looks better, I think. So escape and select camera, G for grab it up a little bit, Z direction, and rotate it. Yeah, grab it Z direction little bit, rotate it. Yeah, that's fine. Now you press F12 again to look how it looks like. Now it looks better, isn't it? Yeah. So we're gonna do a final touch, and we're gonna change its colors a little bit white. Yeah, so it's don't be so, yeah, I mean so blue. And now for rendering purposes I just sampling rate, just maximize the sampling rate so that it can render smoothly. Render 10 to, alright, 100. Okay, so now just render it and see what it looks like. I will be back when it is done. Okay, so um, so this is your final result, and it looks quite nice. Alright, so thank you very much for watching, and see you next time. Bye, and don't forget to subscribe me. Okay, bye bye.